Going for the first ride up today. The one weird thing about it is full garb on, no snow out.
Really pissed me off yesterday. Did it fit? My board used to fit.
Nice one. Avoid you. You know, we'll just pretend you're not here. Today we're going up to the Remarkables. About 45 minutes driving in from town, so not too far. Another really cool thing that NZ Ski does is they reward staff with good behavior by giving them instant legends.
I want to shut up and jump around. I'm excited!
So excited! So Remarkables has 4 chairlifts, gets about 3.5 meters of snow per year minus the snowmaking. And it's really great for beginners. There's a lot of flat section and it's a lot wider as well.
It's a lovely day. Absolutely bloody lovely.
There's something for the experienced bunch too. Lots of backcountry and jump park for new people and for newbies and experienced riders. This run that we've gone down here has a small park on it, and you can see the bigger park on the other side. If you're wondering which mountain is better to ride, I'd say it's the Remarkables since it's higher up than Coronet, and it's in the valley so the snow doesn't blow off and melt off as quickly. What's the secret to the jumps again?
Lean back kind of with your arms like this and pop.
Ollie off!
Ollie off. Or you could do this and nollie. And
Yeah.
just a nollie off the front.
Get me juice. Good job. Killing it!
I want to be on you. So much fun.
Heyo! And just so you know, the sunsets here are really, really trash. So don't look at them, avert your eyeballs, and never come up here. Just stay away.
Monday, Tuesday, okay, bye. Bye.
Bye. Love you, bye.